Hello, this is Dillon with the Embroidery Warehouse. Here I'm going to show you how to adjust your video wire connection for inside of your A15 control panel. It's going to be this control panel here. This one's kind of our junk board that we've attempted to repair, but it wasn't successful. However, we can use this for better purposes, like showing you what to do. So here we have an instance where the screen is showing different colors and does not seem to be displaying what it should be. However, the touch screen still works and functions still work from what seems like it should be working. So there's going to be 6 screws across the corners here. And in this case, this control panel was one that the USB got hit and broke off and actually kind of damaged further. However, the video connection is going to be through this guy, and then the other interface for the rest of the machine is going to be through this guy. So with this one, he's a little guy that's going to be secured by a little secure pin here. You could pop him out just to open it fully. Now in some cases I've seen in the past, this cable, it tends to shift, and if that shifts just ever so barely, slightly, it's going to have those pins come off track there. Those pins lead out to here and go on talk to the brain. So what we'll do, now you don't want to yank this around and break it or anything like that. You want to be as gentle as possible, but there should be a little bit of reinforcement here so you don't bend or pinch this too far. What I like to do is just kind of hold it just before it. You can remove this tape to give you more workability when it comes to it. It can be replaced, or you can just get another piece of tape. You just don't want any other plain tape. As you can see, this one's kind of specialized to deal with temperature changes, but also stay flexible with this cable and hold it down. But I'll just remove it for that so I can attach it to this. Slide this guy in. I have to make sure this guy stays out. Sometimes I'll use some tweezers to hold it open, like so. Just kind of like that. I know a lot of electronic enthusiasts out there are probably screaming, but it's what us embroiderers have to use. So once I get this guy in there, I'll make sure he's straight, just like that. And then carefully lock in each side, a little bit at a time. And then finish up. It should look like that. Nice and straight, and it's not going to pop out of there. Remember to re-put your tape. There you go. Now for this cable, in case it might be loose as well, he's a little bit different. He's going to lift up like a little pop-up like that. This one's going to be a lot easier. You just have to make sure you're very straight with this one. You go in, guide it in. Now I'm not putting much force at all, I'm just making sure it's against the back end there and completely straight on both sides. I'll go down, clamp, there you go. And once you're all finished, you can make sure everything's secure. Reconnect your panel here. And there you go.